facts property owners should know about the Fulton County Tax. Many new residents in Fulton may be unaware of the Fulton County Tax on real estate or may have misconceptions about it, such as that these are similar to taxes in other counties. Keep in mind that every county has its own rules and regulations about the property tax, although there will be similarities in terms of federal and state laws. Indeed, when it comes to taxes, the best course of action is to always know the rules and regulations for each year instead of making assumptions. These assumptions can result in costly errors, especially as the rules and regulations can change from one year to the next, such as in the case of the millage rate and the property valuations in your neighborhood. Here are the vital facts that you must know about the Fulton County Tax on properties: who makes the tax assessment, what can be done to appeal it, and where to get more information about it. Tax assessor and commissioner differences in functions. While many taxpayers believe that the tax assessor and the tax commissioner are one and the same person with the same functions, this is not so. The tax assessor and tax commissioner perform complementary yet distinct functions. First, the tax assessor only appraises real and personal properties, process property appeals, and process exemption applications, among others. Second, the tax commissioner calculates, prints, and distributes tax bills as well as collects the taxes on property. From the above-mentioned delineation of duties, the tax assessor's job ends where the tax commissioner's job begins. The tax assessment becomes one of the bases for the Fulton County tax bill. In other words, the tax assessor is not the appropriate forum to appeal your tax bill, and this is with the assumption that you can appeal your tax bill. No appeal for tax bills. Under the law, you have no recourse for appeal of your property tax bill as the amount is due and demandable. Fortunately, all is not lost for property owners when it comes to appealing their Fulton County tax assessment. This is because you can appeal your tax assessment based on your property value within 45 days after receipt of your assessment notice, as issued by the tax assessor. This also emphasizes the importance of being aware when the tax assessment notices are mailed and checking your mailbox for the notice. Every day counts when you want to reduce your property tax bill. Keep in mind that the reduction of your property tax bill will partly depend on the reduction, or at least, the fair assessment, of the assessed value of your property. You can file your appeal for inaccurate assessed value for your property at the Board of Assessors. Your appeal must either be via an online filing, an appeal form, or by writing a formal letter. You must have done your research about the property values in your neighborhood so that you can make a good case. Contact the Fulton County Tax Assessor's website or call them at 404-612-6440 for more information.